What up, jammers?
I've leaked from my channel into another channel.
Very funny. Okay, so this is my very first recording. So I thought I could start off with something cool. Really?
Yes.
Really?
My first video was not cool. My first video was like the crappiest PewDiePie style.
So I thought that maybe I could start out my first video with a cool glitch. Did you really just say that?
Yes.
Oh my god, shut up. Okay. So, the first thing you gotta do is change to at least a level 1 animal, like I am. But right now, I'm good. The more you eat, the more you do, the more you do, the better you feel. Do not do anything with every meal. Hey, now that we got that out of our system, okay. I'm gonna change to my level animal. I'm gonna change to my level 7 animal, so be right back. There we go. So,
and if you guys are wondering, I'm Megan Bangs, also known as Quinn. I'm from that channel. Yeah.
So, now...
Don't be mad at me.
Okay, so now you go to the diamond shop. And then you host an adventure.
Oh.
Okay, so now but by the way, this only works if you're a member and you have the eagle. Then you click on the statue, get an eagle. I'm gonna name mine Snowflake, Fiery Spirit.
Puppet, pet, otter, I don't know.
I said spirit. Wait, no, ninja. Snowflake, Fiery Ninja. Ninja. And you see, I am now in the search for Greely with my eagle. Let's do this.
Aren't you gonna recycle the eagle you made from the last time?
Blah, blah, blah. Shut up, Graham.
How dare you say that to my uncle?
Oh my god, for the last time. Greely is not your dad, and Graham is not your uncle.
For the last time, you have the worst imagination in the world.
Thank you. Says the person that likes to draw rocks.
I don't draw rocks.
Yeah, right. Remember that painting you gave me last week? It was a rock.
No, it wasn't.
With a bow. Ooh, this is cool.
It's called the Lag Place.
The Lag Place. Let's go dance.
I built that place.
Oh yeah, I'm lagging like a pro, yo.
I did not give you a picture of a rock with a bow.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Stop winking at me.
I am not winking at you.
Yeah, you were. You just were.
I don't need to hit a wolf or a phantom. I can just fly right over. Ugh, mean.
Spike hair.
Spiky hair.
I'm a prickly pear.
Prickly pears, prickly pears, prickly pears.
That's my line.
That's right.
That's Gray Stripe's line. This pear is so delicious. Oh my eyes! And Firestar goes, oh my eyes, it burns! Oh my eyes! Ah!
Oh, and I did this another time, and I got to stay a phantom.
Good.
And I got to stay a phantom, and every time I died, I never left. I never left the spot I was in.
Good.
Would you knock it off?
Good.
Oh my god. And then, oh my god, stupid thing, hurry up. Then you simply fly up. Up and away. I'm an eyeball, and I am watching you.
Good.
Then you get the key.
Good.
Would you shut up?
How about you shut up?
Do you know how to shut up?
No.
Yep, that's what I figured.
Just,
Hey, you guys want to see Teeny Tiny Baby Phantoms? Where are those guys?
right there.
There they are. Teeny Tiny Baby Phantoms.
And then here comes the next one. Just a minute. Just a minute.
And then a big chubby phantom.
I want it for a pet.
Hi, sweetie. Hello. Now I'm gonna go set Greedy free.
That's not a phantomly thing to do, you imposter.
I am not an imposter. Not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Really knows it. He gave you that look.
I'm not.
Really gave you that look right there, man.
Let's see if the phantoms respond to me. Yep.
Idiot.
Hey, this is what I wanted to show you. And they don't hurt me. The phantoms don't know how to sleep.
You're an eyeball of death. That's what I am.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's what you are.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's exactly what you are.
Yum, 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 yum.
Good.
I am so awesome. Aren't I? Say it. I'm awesome. You're awesome. Oh my gosh, I am a leveled up phantom. That is awesome. I rock. Speaking of rocks, Quinn drew me one.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I've drawn you a made-up creature from my mind, and it belongs to me, and it belongs to me.
It belongs to you because it's a rock.
Rocks don't belong to me. Rocks belong to, what's his name? Oh. I forgot his name.
This is so easy.
You know what else is easy?
Water.
Killing people.
You know what water rhymes with?
Slaughter.
I was gonna say Potter, like Harry Potter.
You know what rhymes with slaughter?
That rhymes with Potter.
You know how wrong that sounds?
No.
You should.
Okie dokie. I cannot believe the game would actually let you glitch like this.
Well, Animal Jam is full of nutmegs.
Dang it, there's a bunch of guys. No, it let me stay in place last time.
That's because you did something.
Gee, that's very nice to say.
I say nice things. Just ask the people that I hang out with a lot.
Like your face and water.
No, they're mean.
Water is mean.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hey, check this. I wonder if I can kill all these phantoms at the same time. Oh yeah, I rule.
You know it's fairly easy, right?
What? I'm not gonna click that because then it just makes a bunch of phantoms go after me. No!
No, it
Get away
doesn't.
from me! Get away from me!
It shuts off the lasers.
Get away from me! I so suck at this. Get away from me, you creepy. Oh great, the key's right there. Great, I did that for nothing. Whoa! No! So I know it's just like right above me.
Ugh.
That was stupid.
I'm gonna go get a drink of blood.
That was weird. Okay, I rocked. No, I lost the key. Oh, this is closer. It's not even that far. Oh, come on. You said there was no more 7-Up.
This is 7-Up.
What is it? Haha, very funny. It's Kool-Aid.
I've drank blood before. It's good.
It's called bleeding.
Yeah, when I bleed, I like to drink more blood. Keep it back.
Isn't that normal? Oh, great. I forgot the key wasn't there anymore.
They'll usually take the white blood off and wrap it in bandages behind the
Yeah. Hey, where's the key? Where's the key?
I ate it.
Cool.
Quit your messing around.
I'm an eyeball.
Your face has an eyeball.
Where's the key? Where did it go? Did it go like up? Oh, there it is. I cannot believe that Phantom didn't notice me.
Well, phantoms are idiots.
That's true.
That's because you're the phantom.
That's insulting.
Oh, that's one of the least insulting things I've ever said to somebody.
I'm gonna get some gems.
You don't want to get jealous. You steal stuff from people.
I would never scam.
You said you did.
I tried, but I never could.
Now you pause it because it takes too long to defeat these two.
Yay, I win!
Apples!
Apples! Darn thing.
Pick up the key.
I can't.
What you do is you take your talons, you put
Oh my
your
god, I seriously
foot
can't pick it up.
on the key,
Are
and
you kidding me?
move your
Dude,
toes.
I can't pick it up.
Them around the
I
key.
can't. Quinn, I can't pick it up.
Then just pick it down. How do you live with this mouse?
See?
Nope. Just pick it down.
What are you talking about?
You have to pick it down.